AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, including patient records, images, and genetic information to assist in diagnosing diseases more accurately and recommending personalized treatment plans. Artificial intelligence, AI, revolutionizes healthcare by enhancing diagnostic accuracy and treatment efficacy. AI algorithms analyze extensive medical datasets, ranging from patient records to imaging scans, enabling healthcare professionals to identify diseases with unprecedented precision. By recognizing subtle patterns and correlations within data, AI aids in early detection of conditions, leading to timely interventions and improved patient outcomes. Moreover, AI-driven decision support systems assist clinicians in formulating personalized treatment plans based on individual patient characteristics and medical history, optimizing therapeutic outcomes. This transformative capability not only expedites diagnosis and treatment processes, but also mitigates the risk of misdiagnosis and unnecessary procedures. Ultimately, AI empowers healthcare providers to deliver more efficient, effective, and patient-centered care, marking a significant advancement in the realm of medical practice. AI can optimize administrative tasks, such as scheduling appointments, managing medical records, and processing insurance claims, leading to streamlined workflows and reduced administrative burden on healthcare professionals. Artificial intelligence, AI, revolutionizes the administrative landscape of healthcare systems, ushering in a new era of efficiency and optimization. Through AI-driven automation and data analytics, routine administrative tasks, such as appointment scheduling, medical record management, and billing processes are streamlined with remarkable precision. By eliminating manual interventions and reducing paperwork, AI enhances the speed and accuracy of administrative workflows, allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. Moreover, predictive analytics capabilities of AI enable proactive resource allocation and inventory management, ensuring adequate supplies and staffing levels to meet patient demand. This optimization not only reduces operational costs but also enhances overall healthcare service delivery, leading to improved patient satisfaction and better utilization of healthcare resources in a rapidly evolving healthcare landscape. By analyzing patient data over time, AI can identify patterns and predict potential health issues before they escalate, allowing for early intervention and preventive care strategies. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, healthcare systems are deploying predictive analytics to anticipate and prevent health complications before they escalate. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, including medical history, diagnostic tests, and lifestyle factors, AI algorithms identify subtle patterns and trends indicative of potential health risks. This proactive approach enables healthcare providers to intervene early, offering timely interventions and preventive measures to mitigate the progression of diseases. Additionally, AI algorithms continuously learn and adapt from real-time data inputs, refining their predictive capabilities over time. As a result, healthcare professionals can tailor interventions to individual patient needs, optimizing health outcomes and reducing the burden on healthcare systems. Predictive analytics powered by AI represents a significant leap forward in preventive healthcare, ushering in a future where early intervention is the cornerstone of patient care. Enhanced imaging analysis. AI-powered imaging technologies such as computer-aided detection, EAD, can assist radiologists in interpreting medical images more accurately and efficiently, leading to faster diagnoses and improved patient outcomes. Artificial intelligence AI revolutionizes medical imaging interpretation by offering advanced algorithms that enhance accuracy, speed, and efficiency. Through machine learning and deep learning techniques, AI systems analyze complex medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with remarkable precision. These AI-powered tools assist radiologists in detecting subtle abnormalities, identifying patterns, and providing more accurate diagnoses. Moreover, AI can streamline workflow by prioritizing critical cases, reducing interpretation time, and improving overall productivity. By augmenting human expertise, AI enhances the quality of imaging analysis, leading to more confident diagnoses and better patient outcomes. Additionally, AI algorithms continuously learn from new data, refining their performance over time and staying updated with the latest advancements in medical imaging technology. The integration of AI into imaging analysis represents a significant advancement in healthcare, empowering clinicians with powerful tools to deliver enhanced patient care. Drug discovery and development. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets to identify potential drug candidates, predict their efficacy, and optimize clinical trials, speeding up the drug discovery and development process and potentially leading to the discovery of new treatments for various diseases. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the landscape of pharmaceutical research and development by accelerating the process of discovering and optimizing novel therapeutics. AI algorithms analyze vast data sets, including genetic information, molecular structures, and biological pathways, to identify potential drug candidates with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Through machine learning and predictive modeling, AI predicts the efficacy and safety of drug compounds, guiding researchers towards the most promising candidates for further investigation. Additionally, AI streamlines clinical trials by optimizing patient selection criteria, identifying biomarkers for patient stratification, and predicting treatment responses. This not only reduces the time and cost associated with drug development, but also increases the likelihood of success in bringing new treatments to market. By leveraging the power of AI, pharmaceutical companies can revolutionize the drug discovery process, addressing unmet medical needs and improving patient outcomes. Personalized medicine. AI can analyze genetic and molecular data to tailor treatment plans to individual patients' characteristics, preferences, and genetic makeup, leading to more effective and personalized healthcare interventions. Artificial intelligence, AI, is catalyzing the paradigm shift towards personalized healthcare by leveraging patient-specific data to tailor treatments to individual characteristics and needs. Through advanced data analytics and machine learning algorithms, AI analyzes diverse datasets, including genetic profiles, biomarkers, and clinical records, to identify unique patterns and correlations that inform personalized treatment strategies. By understanding genetic predispositions, disease trajectories, and treatment responses, AI enables healthcare providers to prescribe interventions that are more effective, safer, and better tolerated by patients. Moreover, AI-driven predictive models facilitate early disease detection and risk assessment, empowering patients to make informed decisions about their health and lifestyle choices. By harnessing the power of AI, personalized medicine not only improves patient outcomes, but also optimizes healthcare resource utilization, paving the way for a more efficient and patient-centered approach to healthcare delivery. Remote patient monitoring. AI-powered wearable devices and sensors can continuously monitor patients' vital signs and health parameters remotely, allowing healthcare providers to detect abnormalities early, monitor chronic conditions more effectively, and intervene when necessary. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing healthcare delivery through remote patient monitoring, enabling continuous and real-time monitoring of patients' health outside traditional clinical settings. AI-powered wearable devices and sensors collect vital signs, physiological data, and activity levels, transmitting this information to healthcare providers for analysis and intervention when necessary. By remotely monitoring patients with chronic conditions or those recovering from surgery, AI helps detect early signs of deterioration or complications, facilitating timely interventions and reducing the need for hospital readmissions. Moreover, AI algorithms analyze trends and patterns in patients' data, identifying deviations from normal parameters and alerting healthcare providers to potential issues proactively. This not only enhances patient safety and outcomes, but also promotes patient autonomy and engagement in managing their health, transforming the way healthcare is delivered and experienced. Healthcare data security. AI can help enhance cybersecurity measures by detecting and preventing potential security breaches, ensuring the privacy and confidentiality of patient data, and safeguarding healthcare systems from cyber threats. With the increasing digitization of patient records and the interconnected nature of healthcare systems, ensuring robust data security has become paramount. Artificial intelligence, AI, plays a crucial role in safeguarding healthcare data by continuously monitoring for potential security threats and vulnerability. AI algorithms can detect anomalous patterns in user behavior, network traffic, and data access, alerting cybersecurity teams to potential breaches or unauthorized access attempts in real time. Furthermore, AI-powered encryption and authentication mechanisms strengthen data protection, ensuring that sensitive patient information remains confidential and tamper-proof. By proactively identifying and mitigating security risks, AI helps healthcare organizations comply with regulatory requirements such as HIPAA and GDPR, safeguarding patient privacy and trust. Implementing AI-driven security measures not only protects healthcare data, but also enhances the resilience of healthcare systems against evolving cyber threats. Patient engagement and education. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide patients with personalized health information, answer their questions, and offer support and guidance, leading to increased patient engagement, empowerment, and adherence to treatment plans. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing patient engagement and education by providing personalized and accessible health information and support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants offer patients convenient channels to ask questions, receive guidance, and access relevant health resources anytime, anywhere. These virtual companions utilize natural language processing to understand patients' queries and provide accurate, tailored responses, empowering individuals to take an active role in managing their health. Moreover, AI analyzes vast amounts of health data to deliver personalized health recommendations, reminders for medication adherence, and lifestyle modification tips, promoting healthier behaviors and outcomes. By fostering continuous communication and interaction, AI strengthens the patient-provider relationship, enhances health literacy, and encourages informed decision-making, ultimately leading to improved health outcomes and patient satisfaction in the evolving landscape of healthcare delivery. Cost reduction and resource optimization. By automating repetitive tasks, optimizing resource allocation, and preventing unnecessary procedures and hospitalizations, AI can help reduce healthcare costs and improve the efficiency of healthcare delivery systems. Artificial intelligence, AI, offers transformative solutions to mitigate healthcare costs and optimize resource utilization across the healthcare continuum. By automating repetitive tasks such as administrative processes and data entry, AI streamlines workflows and minimizes operational overhead, leading to significant cost savings. Additionally, AI-driven predictive analytics enable healthcare providers to forecast patient demand, optimize staffing levels, and allocate resources more efficiently, ensuring that healthcare services are delivered in a timely and cost-effective manner. Furthermore, AI-powered decision support systems help clinicians make evidence-based decisions, reducing unnecessary procedures, hospital readmissions, and medication errors, which contribute to overall cost reduction and improved patient outcomes. By leveraging AI technologies, healthcare organizations can achieve greater financial sustainability while enhancing the quality, accessibility, and affordability of healthcare services for patients and providers alike. For merchandise, see the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.